A very good morning, class 5 children. Today we did a poem yesterday that is Paper Boats. Now this poem is about a child, a small child of maybe of 7 or 8 years who makes paper boats and just sails them in the water and dreams about lot of things while he's sailing the paper boats in the water that he has put up a big black letters on the ship or on those boats bearing his name and the name and the village in which he is staying, and that name and his address is just going far away in the waters in the strange land where people would know that whose boat is this and where that boy lives. And then he also hopes that he's loading his small boat with surely flowers from his garden, and they'll be carried safely in the land in the night. And then he also feels that he sails his paper boat and looks up in the sky to see the little clouds in the sky. They are the they are just coming out with white bulging sails. They are puffed with the winds. I mean, they are full of winds and they are bulging out, and they might get the rain. And then I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. And then he feels that his playmates, that is his friends, huh, in the sky, they are sending they are sending they are basically having a race with his boat, and his boat is also sailing, and the clouds are also sailing in the sky, and they are having a race with the boat. That is what he feels. And then when the night comes and he feels that the fairies are sitting in his boat, and mm, they are sleeping while sailing in them, and lading their baskets full of dream, and they are and the things are and they and the boats, and his boat is carrying all the things of the fairies in the in their baskets full of dreams. So this is basically an imagination of a small child about his paper boat, that what type of things he would like to make his little paper boats carry. Okay, children. Now let's do the question answers. The first question is, what does a child write on the paper boat and why? Now, what does the child write? The child writes, now you can see in the poem it is written, day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. So, what will be the answer? What does the child write? Now, this whole poem is in the present tense. So, you have to write the answer in the present tense. The child writes his name and the name of the village where he lives because he hoped that someone in some strange land would know him well. Okay, I will repeat the answer. The child writes his name and the name of the village where he lives because he hopes that someone in some strange land would know him well. Now, question number 2. Why does the child load his boat with flowers? The child loads. Load का क्या हो जाएगा? Loads, because he is a single child. The child loads his boat with flowers because he hopes that flowers of the dawn. Flowers of the dawn means flowers of the early morning rays of the sun. Flowers of the dawn will be carried safely to the land in the night. It is clearly written because the child loads his boat with the surely flowers because he hopes that these flowers of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. Now, question number 3. What does a child see when he looks up in the sky? When the child looks up in the sky, he sees, what does he see? He sees little clouds setting their white bulging sails. Okay, what does he see when he looks up in the sky? when he looks up in the sky, he sees little clouds setting their white bulging sails puffed with the wind. That is, he sees that the little clouds are puffing, they are puffing with the wind. They are bulging out with the wind. Okay? Then what does the child dream about? The child dreams about that his paper boat floats on and on under the midnight stars, and he thinks that the fairies sail on them, that the fairies are sailing on them, and the boat just goes on and on in the midnight stars, under the midnight stars. Now quote the line which talks about the child's friend in the sky. Quote the line. Now, which is a line which tells it, I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. Okay? I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. So, this is the line which talks about the child's friend in the sky. Okay, children, just do these question answers in your copy, and in the live class, I'll be taking this poem again. And once we finish all the exercises of this poem, then on Friday, I'll be taking a live class and I will be again teaching you this poem, and we will start another poem after this. Okay, children? Thank you and have a nice day. Finish this question answers by the evening and submit your